Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain this chapter number 7, the noun and its gender. So, in the previous video, earlier we had discussed the noun, the number, noun, its kind. So, noun numbers like singular and plural, and its kind. There are five kinds of noun, that is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. So, I had already explained. Those students who have not watched my previous video, just go visit my channel. You will get all the video related to the subject, related to the content. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, it the line, the something it had written in the page. Compare the words in the following pairs: boy, girl, son, daughter, tiger, tigress, cock, hen. So as you can see, the first word of each pair is the name of male species, where second word of each pair it is the name of female species. So gender. So in this chapter we will come to know about the kinds of gender of noun. So there are four kinds of gender. Like first of all of us know that some uh, first two gender, that is masculine and feminine. But masculine along masculine gender and feminine gender, there are two more gender, that are common gender and neutral gender. So in this video we will discuss these four gender. The following are the different kinds of gender. First, masculine gender. Well, what is masculine gender? Masculine gender, it is a masculine noun, denotes a male person or animal, like as boy, lion, bull, ram. So whatever the noun that denotes a male person or male species, or the noun name of a male species. Example: boy, lion, bull, king, or these are the example of masculine gender. Now let's see the second kinds of gender, like feminine gender. Simple like masculine, a feminine noun denotes a female person. Okay, the noun that denotes a female person or animal, or it is the name of female species, it is called feminine gender. Example: girl, lioness, cow, ewe. Third gender is common gender. Common gender is what? It is a common noun, denotes either a male or a female. When we do not know about the exact gender of the person, or that is which is very common, we either the person is male or female, that we can say it is common gender. Like child. Okay, there are some children. Okay, children, it is plural, and some children, we do not know exact that whether the children they have male or female. Either they have male or female, so it is called common gender. Now last gender, it is neutral gender. Okay, simple, we have to learn that a neutral noun denotes a non-living thing, the that is called neutral gender. Like tree, chair, car, spoon. Okay, that all the non-living thing, it is called neutral gender. The non-living thing, that means the thing that cannot move from one place to another, it is called non-living thing. And this neutral gender, we can say it is neutral gender. Now second page, way of forming the feminine of noun. There are three ways of changing masculine gender into feminine gender. First is by adding ESS to the masculine gender. When we when we change masculine gender into feminine gender, we can simply add ESS. As you can see the example lion, lioness, author, authoress, hare, heiress, baron, baroness, host, hostess. But also there are some another example by removing the last vowel and adding ESS. Okay, here you can see actor. The last vowel is O. So we can simply removing OR and add ESS. Actor become actress. Negro become negress. Duke become duchess. Waiter become waitress. Second point. By adding word before or father add grandfather. Okay, by adding a word before or after. Some when we change masculine gender into feminine, we have to add change the word, whether the before word or after word. Like you can see grandfather. So father, grandfather, it in masculine, but when we change this gender into feminine, then it become grandmother, father become mother. So milkman become milkwoman, pickup become peahen, stepfather become stepmother, landlord become landlady. Likewise, third point, by using an entirely different one. Some masculine gender, when we change some masculine gender, we have to change the entire word, entirely different word to make feminine gender. Like boy, girl, bull, cow, cold, filly, father, mother, gander, goose, monk, nun, nephew, niece. So there are four kind of gender, like that is masculine, feminine, common and neutral. Now we will do the exercise. I have already done all the question answer. As you can see, uh, first exercise A, change the gender of the following words. Okay, gender it had given and we have to simply change the gender. Like policeman, it become policewoman, niece become nephew, waitress become waiter, gander become goose, maid servant become man servant. So answer I have already written. If you want to check your answer, just take the screenshot and correct it if you have done any answer wrong. Change the form of gender in the following sentences. Okay, first there are some sentences given in this exercise. You have to simply change the gender that is underlined. Like I met a boy become I met a girl. There was a king. We have to change the gender. There was a queen. I saw a boy on the road. I saw a girl on the road. Likewise, now let's see the exercise C. Look at the picture and say whether these pictures are of masculine and feminine or neutral. So see the picture, then you will be able to identify that whether the picture is masculine, feminine or neutral. Exercise D. Change the underlined noun into their opposite gender and rewrite the sentences below, making any other changes as may be needed. So here you can see the first there are four sentences given in this exercise. Each sentence it had two underline words. We have to change their gender. The mother took her son to the market. Now we have to change the gender. The father took her daughter to the market. The lioness pounced upon the young hind. The lion pounced upon the young stag. The maid servant served supper to her mistress. The man servant served supper to her master. The angry bird charged at the hunter. The angry sow charged at the hunter. So that is the answer. I have already explained chapter also explained by me. So I think you will not face any problem regarding this chapter. So thank you.